Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about TOPN function. In last video also I have spoken about this function in descending order how to find TOPN sales. But in today's video, I'll try to speak in how to find the TOPN sales in ascending order. So we'll try to see demo in today's video. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on what I'm talking in today's video. Let's go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand the demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report. So I'll try to explain. So what are the steps that are involved to design the report? Okay, let me remove it. Okay. So before getting into the details of this report, I'll try to explain. So what are the tables I have imported from the Excel? So I have imported a customer table, geography, product, category, subcategory, territory, internet sales. So these tables I have imported from the Excel, and I'll try to explain so what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So we'll go to the model tab. So if you look at here, so we have established a relationship between the dimension tables and fact table. For example, so these are the dimension tables, and this is the fact table. So we established a relation between the dimension and fact table, like one direction to the main direction. So likewise I have established relation between these dimension fact tables. Going forward, I'll try to cover one complete session on this relationship. Understanding the relationship between the dimensions and fact table, it's very important. So while working within Power BI. So now in today's video, I will try to talk about TOPN function in ascending order, how to find the TOPN sales. Okay, let's go to the report. So this is the report. So it contains a product. So product wise we are able to see the sales, for example, in ascending order. For example, if you look at, so this product, what is the sales amount? 56, this one 64, this one 66, 69, like that we have the sales for each product wise. Now the requirement is I want to see the top 5 sales and top 5 sales in ascending order, top 10 sales in ascending order. How to get that? We are going to see in today's video. Okay, now we'll go to the column tab. So there I'll try to explain. So here I'll try to zoom it. Here I'm trying to find the top n sales in ascending order. So I have used the top n function. I specified what are the sales you want, whether it is top 3 or 5, and also I want to see the based on product wise and also in sales amount ascending order. So whenever I specify top 5 means I'm getting so many products. I'm not getting top 5 sales ascending order. I'm getting, there are 374 product names. I'm getting why? It's not giving correct, right? Even if I change the top 3 also, I'm getting same 374 products. Why? I think something is wrong in this expression, right? So something is wrong. So how to correct it? So I have created a separate that. So we'll go to this one. So why in previous whatever the example I have showed you, so because why it is giving like that means here there are some products we don't have sales. So what are the products we don't have sales? It is taking in ascending order. That is the reason, even though we are mentioning top 3 5, it's giving what are the sales we don't have products, those products are displaying. Okay, that is the reason it's not giving the correct output. Now in this expression I am filtering the data, so I want to see the top 5 products in ascending order. What are the products which are having the sales? So for that I have used the filter function. So I am specifying the on which column we will try to find the sales, and also here I have specified not is blank. These products must have the sales. Only based on that it is calculating the top 5 products in ascending order. Okay, Now I'll try to verify it. So I'll try to take the snipping. So go to column here. So we'll try to compare whether it's coming fine or not. 52 road bike 52, it's coming. And 44 touring bikes 3 record 60 54. Yeah, it's working fine. Top 5, because it's coming what are the products which are having the sales in top 5 in ascending order. So this is also data displaying in ascending order, so it's coming working fine. Even you can change the top 3 also here, no problem. It's coming. Even if you want, you can change top 10. It's working fine. Okay, now this is a table. Okay, it's a single column table. How to write the same kind of expression in measures? How to do that we are going to see. So top 5 bottom sales. So I'll try to zoom it. So here based on calculate, I'm using the TOPN. So I specified 5 as well as on which column you want to find the sales and sales amount ascending order. So like this I have written the expression, but the output I'm getting the blank. Whenever I drag this into the card visual, it's getting the blank. Why? So as I said earlier, like it's taking the blank, the products which are don't have sales, only it is taking top 5 because they don't have sales. That is the reason we are getting the blank. So for that we need to change this slightly that expression. So I have written separate measure for that. So here, so based on this selection, instead of in last example I specified top 5, but I don't want to make it a hard-coded value. I want to make it dynamic nature because our users don't know whether they want to see top 5, top 3, top 10. Based on the selection, they want to see the top n product sales. So that is the reason I make it a dynamic nature. I have created a separate rank table here. So the rank table I specified 3, 5, 7, 10. So based on this selection, I want to see the top n products in ascending order. Whether I can choose 3, 5, 7, 10, it's up to their wish. They can choose whatever they want. So how to do that in dynamic nature? So for that I have taken one variable. Within the variable I have used the selected value. What are the value you have selected? Okay, if we did not select any value, we are going to take max of the table value. What is the max? 10 is the max, so it will give 10 if we did not select any one of the value within this table. Okay, so after the calculate, I'm taking the sales amount top n. Here I'm taking this variable value. Okay, instead of specifying 5 or 10, I'm taking this variable value into this first parameter. After that I'm filtering the this product name table. What are the products which are having the sales? Only I'm taking that. Remaining I'm just ignoring by using the filter function. Okay, so that is the reason we are getting the proper output in this measure. Okay, so sales amount and ascending order. So if you write like this, you will get the correct output. For example, I'll try to make it top 3 sales. Top 3. Even if you calculate 56, I'll try to take a calculator. 56 plus 64 plus 69, 189. So top 3, it's coming fine, right? So like that, top 5, top 7, top 10. If you want to see whether year wise you want to see the top 5 product sales, you can take it year wise in 2002, 2003, 4, or top 3, top 5, top 7, top 10. It's like a if you want we can add another filters also. Based on our requirement we will try to design the different kind of measures So I hope you like this video. So if you have any questions or queries, so please send me an email, drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for other videos.